Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Okay, and then just letting you know, we have deliveries from, I'm trying to think, from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. going through the front door. There's a window there now to get deliveries.
On both sides or just the one over there?
Just the one right here. Since lobby's not open, we have a, we put a pickup window like this one.
Yeah.
But it's in our secondary door.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will definitely not remember that for the next time. How long do you think I've been sitting here waiting for the next order to come in? Whatever it is, it's probably going to be double that in reality. It's been a long time. Next order up. This order is not good, but it's an order. This is Krispy Kreme, $10 going 7.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Not even close to the drop-off yet, but they're giving me the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles. I think it's at 4 items. Not sure why that door didn't open, but okay. Was it? I didn't see it over there, but I'll go check again.
Oh yeah, that's definitely bacon. So I don't know if it's over like on the aisle on the very side where they have the bacon.
Yeah.
Probably in there, either that or maybe with the hamburger.
There it is. That took way longer than I wanted it to. It's so slow today that I'm actually happy to get a Wendy's order. I can't even, no. I'm not happy about it, but I'm taking a Wendy's order. This one's $8 going 5 miles.
Welcome to Wendy's. So, can I get food today?
So it's gonna be a minute for that, alright? So
Okay.
supposedly you can park in these front yellow lines and I'll bring it out to you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Well, that's not a good sign. We're gonna be here for a while.
Enjoy it.
You too. That was like a 5-minute wait. Not terrible, I guess. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11 going 3 miles, 7 items. Three of these. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got IHOP and Black Rock Coffee, $10 going 6 miles. Bit of a wait there, but we got it. Thank you.
Yeah, how you doing?
You too. That was yet another wait. I don't think this order is going to be worth it anymore, unless there's a hidden tip, but highly doubt it. You guys good? no hidden tip on that one. Unfortunate. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This one is $12 going, I think it said 6 miles. Thank you. Man, they are slow this morning, and it doesn't even look that busy. Parking lot, I'd say, is about 75% full, and there's like barely anybody inside the lobby. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. I think this one's alcohol. Yeah, it is. This is $10 going 6 miles, 3 items.
Group?
Yeah.
Just need one?
3 of them.
3. They'll be in the next aisle. He's
Gotcha.
right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That one took me longer than I wanted it to as well. Because why? It was telling me to go to the wrong aisle.
Good, I know, right? I'm locked down and gonna get drunk.
Oh,
by
it's the
myself.
backside for me. Okay, I'm gonna call it here because I'm pretty much out of gas. Current time is 10 on the dot. Current total, we are at 64. And we're also waiting on 2 Uber tips, which should bring it up to like 77, maybe a little bit more. Still a terrible day, don't get me wrong, but slightly better than what I predicted. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And speaking of, I actually have a bit of a surprise for the next one. Hopefully. I know it's a bit of a cliffhanger, but I promise you it's gonna be worth it. Anyways, bye.